AI bias and equity. There are a few other issues that we should consider when we're thinking about AI and the kind of biases that are inherent in AI, and also the question of equity. So the first thing is a privacy issue. You should never use student information or enter student information into an AI. We know that Google and Gemini have promised us that there will be no use of student information, but we can't be sure what happens to information in another AI system. And then there are some other issues that we need to just keep in the back of our head. Sometimes a teacher's bias against AI could create inequity, because the truth is that students who are deserving of equity or students who are from different socioeconomic backgrounds might not have the same access to AI at home as other students may. So if we have none in the classroom, we're almost creating two different classes of students who are able to access AI freely at home because they have time, internet connections, money to buy subscriptions. And then there are other students who don't get that kind of access outside of school. And so if they never see it in school, they are entering post-secondary or the job market without any of those skills. And I think that that's a dangerous thing to imagine, because AI is the future. We can't get around it. And if we don't give our students access to at least some learning about AI, then we are creating quite an inequity there. And another thing that we should think about is that AI is created by a whole bulk of information that comes from a system that could possibly have biases and inequity in it. So we know now that developers are actively working to detect and mitigate bias. But there are some AI models that are specifically designed to pull from underrepresented groups. Latimer AI is one of those. Latimer AI is looking at very diverse sources and specifically pulling from groups that might otherwise be underrepresented. So we have that link this afternoon if you want to take a look. It's in its beta form now, but it is showing us that there is an awareness within the developers of AI to kind of get away from inequity and bias.